our special report this month, we review our visit to BMO's 24th Global Metals and Mining Conference in Florida, and we review the Diamond and Gemstones subsector, particularly gemstones. The Bank of Montreal, through BMO Capital Markets, hosted in February the 24th Global Metals and Mining Conference in Miami, Florida. Superbly hosted by BMO, it was a privilege to attend. Over 4 days, Perth partners, represented by Chairman John Bridges and partner Ian R. Woodall, attended a number of very informative sessions and met with a number of truly interesting companies, discussing future investments and exploration projects for the future. The meetings spanned a broad range of geographies and minerals, and even with depressed commodity prices, there was a cautiously optimistic feel in the conference. Within this subsector, diamonds hold most market interest, with gemstones frequently hidden in the shadows of the plethora of market commentary covering only diamonds. All too frequently, the smaller gemstone area is overlooked by both investors and researchers alike. So what is the market like for diamonds and gemstones? The diamond and gemstone market is worth around £21 billion per annum, with diamonds accounting for approximately 90% of this market. Though small in comparison, the gemstone market should be an attractive venue for investors, especially when you consider that emeralds, rubies and sapphires are rarer yet cheaper than diamonds. Demand for them continues to rise, and the changing tastes of high-end fashion seems to favour a little more colour in its bling. Looking at London and the 11 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange in the diamonds and gemstones subsector, just one, Gemfields plc, isn't focused on diamonds. In a subsector with a combined market capitalisation of just £1.4 billion, Gemfields plc, with a market capitalisation of £250 million, represents just 18% of the subsector. By contrast, Petra Diamonds accounts for around 55%. So we can see that it is a small subsector heavily weighted to diamonds, a trend repeated in most world markets. Looking briefly at Gemfields, strong auction sales saw company revenues hit a record of $160 million for the financial year to the 30th of June 2014, realizing a net annual profit of $16 million, a solid performance. This all adds up to opportunities to invest in well-managed, cost-sensitive producers who can achieve real growth and deliver solid investor returns. The market for gemstones covers a truly diverse range of gems, and whilst small, it is a broad market. But a term you'll never hear Perth partners use to segment the sector is precious and semi-precious. Data indicates that over the last 5 to 10 years, all kinds of gems have performed well at different times. So research and timing are key, like all resource sector investments when seeking returns. Perth Partners maintains an active, people-driven research function, looking to identify these timing drivers. We are actively looking for global opportunities in the diamond and gemstones subsector, especially specialist gemstone miners, and currently we are specifically researching opportunities in emeralds, rubies, amethyst, aquamarine, and sapphire. Currently, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires are at virtually all-time highs since 2005. So, with record prices being achieved in sales, is there still an opportunity for strong profits and capital growth? Perth Partners believes there is. But fundamental to this belief are the people behind the project. So what is Perth Partners looking for? Companies with management focused on cost control, resource development, and with solid scientific approaches to exploration will always represent the best investment opportunities for investors looking for capital growth over the longer term, and these are especially important for gemstone companies. Mining licenses are essential to any miner, yet social licenses are equally, if not more, important. Management must be focused on their social license and community contracts to truly deliver investor returns. To paraphrase a comment known to many, once a company has protesters at their door, you can take that they have already lost their social contract. In the mining industry, this is especially the case, and history is full of companies falling foul of their perceived social contracts. And it is arguable that it is even more true of the diamond and gemstone mining community. Issues around the so-called blood diamond supply, human slavery and child labor in the exploitation of resources are not just confined to the diamond industry, with cases reported in the gemstone industry too. Investments in this subsector must be mindful of companies' responsibilities and obligations under these social licenses and community contracts, and the best investment opportunities do. Thank you very much, and until next time, good prospecting and goodbye.